Yeah, fuck it. So I've not driven this car in a couple of weeks, and or excuse me, a couple of months. I think it's 2 months ago I drove it last. Now I'm driving it again, and I was expecting snow, but there is no snow. So enjoy. Every time you drive this car, you really figure out why it's such an awesome car. It sounds just magnificent. It looks really cool for its age. The interior is a little bit outdated, but I mean, it's not that bad. It looks really mafia, I think. It's really mobster, old school mobster wood. This thing right here, I mean, so unnecessary, but so cool. I absolutely love it. And the sound is just unbelievable. Let's put it in manual. I forgot how to drive this car. We got the engine heat in the car. It's up to working temperatures. Let's drive a couple times just to get the engine warm up. Oh my god. Get the suspension to work a little bit. Oh. Like I saw Living Like Fast videos on this car, and he made quite a fun remark of the paddle shifters, which are just like gaming buttons, and I totally agree with him on that point. Oh my god, what a car. Oh, the sound this thing makes on the red line is just magnificent. I mean, how can you not love it? In the car, but you really feel it. There is actually no grip whatsoever. Like if the surface is not 100% dry, second gear is non-existent. Last summer I was actually beaten by an Audi 2.0 liter Quattro diesel in the wet in this car because I just could not get the power down. And that's why probably the newer AMG cars are front-wheel drive, and they are four-wheel drive, excuse me. I think it was a guy taking a photo. I don't know if you're gonna call the cops or something. Let's keep on driving though. magnificent. Oh my god, the power is just immense. Oh, God almighty. Let's go away. Oh, I love this car. Oh. Best car ever made. No, it's not, but it sounds good. Magnificent. Magnificent. Oh, suspension really good. Sound of that car really good. This gearbox, I got used to it because you have to blip the downshifts on it. But except that, it's not that bad. See if we get through here on the buses. It's quite dirty roads though here, which sort of sucks. Let's not annoy anybody that's old and grumpy. We're driving sensibly, as always, here on Autocar Nerd. Oh, the sound of this thing is just magnificent. Heavenly sounds from this V8 engine.